In this video, let's understand how to create an automated webinar funnel using Kajabi. So before we proceed, let me show you an example of an automated webinar funnel which I've created for my own business. I'm into network marketing business, and for this I'm using Kajabi. Okay, so using Kajabi, what I've done is I have actually created a funnel. Okay, so the landing page link is this dnaclub.in/autofunnel. This is the hook and this is the form. Okay, so say for example, for testing purpose, I'm just typing here name, email ID and phone number. Okay, and with this, then let's click on submit. Okay, so after entering the details, now it shows it directly navigates us to the webinar room. Okay, so this is the webinar room with a hook or the title of the webinar at the top, then a video, okay, where there is no option to skip. You can see this webinar video. There is no option to fast forward or reverse the video, and also there is some text written here. Okay, and then there is a call to action to book a consultation call, book time. Okay, so this is the webinar room. Okay, so how to create this automated webinar funnel using Kajabi? Let's go ahead. So for this, I suggest you, instead of using the funnel option, if you go to marketing and if you go to funnel, instead of using this funnel option, I suggest you to use to create landing page yourself. Okay, because in Kajabi pricing, as per Kajabi pricing, you have a limited funnels. Okay, so creating new pages is very easy. Okay, you can go to website, then go to pages, and then go to landing. Okay, and now first we have to create an opt-in page. Okay, opt-in page for the webinar. So let's start from the scratch. Okay, and then click on get started. Okay, automated webinar opt-in page. So for example, we have given this the title of this page. Okay, so once this page is created, what I need to do, I need to add the text box, okay, and also the form. Okay, so then this is a blank page. So let's click on section, and what we need is hero with form. Okay, let's click here. So we need to show a text and also a form on the right hand side. Okay, so let's click on this. So text means the hook of the webinar. Like for example, how to make money online without buying courses. Like say for example, okay, this is the hook of our webinar. Okay, here we can say 15 minutes, or you can say 30 minutes masterclass, 30 minutes masterclass, get instant access. Okay, like this. And this here we have to add a form. Okay, so for this, first let's save it and let's go back. And in this case, we have just created a landing page. Now what we need to do, we need to go to marketing, and under marketing go to forms. Okay, so here click on the new form to capture the leads. Okay, so for example, I type here automated webinar opt-ins form. Okay, save. And what type of information we need to capture? Like suppose it is single opt-in, instead of double opt-in I'm using single opt-in, and suppose I want to add WhatsApp, I want name and email ID only. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, so this is the form, opt-in form. Now again go back to website and then go to pages, landing. Now from here click you can click on the page and go to hero with form, and here select the form which we just created, which is automated webinar opt-in. Okay, now you can see it is asking for this information, name and email ID. Okay, and here we can change the text. Okay, 30 submit your details. Okay, and get webinar access instantly. Okay, suppose this is an instant access we want to give. So this way we can just update this and then go back, and this is an opt-in form, simple opt-in form. Okay, now we need to add a page which will display the webinar, which means a webinar room. For this, again go to landing, new landing page, and then again create from scratch, and let's call it automated webinar room. Okay, let's click on create. So this way what we are doing, we are creating another landing page where we are going to upload our video, which will work as an automated webinar. So once this is done, so this is a new page which we have created, and here it shows text and image. We don't need an image, we need a video. So add element and then select video. Okay, so this is a video element, and in text here you can put the title of the webinar. Okay, make money online without buying courses. Okay, example. And here the video. Okay, so click here and upload a new file. I'm just uploading just for the testing purpose. I'm uploading this files. It is 59 MB. Okay, so upload 52 MB. It just upload the video. Go click on player settings, and then we can select video settings. Okay, show play bar, don't show play bar. Okay, allow full screen, that's fine, and then auto play, yes or no. Show controls on load. Okay, like this. Then click on save. Okay, so if we uncheck this show play bar, which means the viewer cannot fast forward the video. Okay, cannot skip to the next skip forward. Okay, you cannot skip forward, right? So we need this. Now also image, which image means the thumbnail of the video. So let's you can select, you can create a thumbnail of the video from Canva or any other tool. Okay, and you can just upload photo like this. Okay, so which means this will show the image like this. Okay, and also the video is in the background. Okay, now click on save. Once a person clicks on play button, then the automated webinar will start playing. Okay, so this is the another page. One page is opt-in page, another page is webinar room page. Okay, now let's click on publish. So this page is now published. Okay, so now what we need to do here in the automated webinar opt-in page, okay, we have to set up this kind of simple automation, which means thank you page. What is a thank you page? Once anybody fills up the form, then go to the landing page. Which landing page? Automated webinar room. Okay, this one. So I want the person to automatically go to the webinar room after opt-in. Okay, so now let's test this out. This is the webinar room. Like, let's copy the URL. This is the URL. Now let's go to the another browser, and I'm just pasting this URL. Okay, so this is our opt-in page. Sorry, this is the webinar room I copied by mistake. Let's use this URL, opt-in page. Okay, so this is the link which we need to promote. This is opt-in page. Okay, now say for example I enter name and email ID here, then click on submit. So it automatically navigates to the webinar room, correct? And this is the video. In this video, okay, so 2 landing page and 1 form is required, and this way you can automate you can create an automated webinar funnel using Kajabi. If you have any question related to this, you can put in the comment box below. And also I want you to try Kajabi for free. Go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. That's my affiliate link. Using this you can get 30 days free trial of Kajabi, and also as a bonus I give you a free consultation call with me. Okay, through which I'm going to help you to set up Kajabi tool for you. Okay, all right, thank you for watching this video.